Hi, I'm Miss Victoria with San Marino Recreation. We are celebrating Earth Day, but all week long. The Community Services Department have a lot of fun and educational activities planned for the community this week. One of those is learning how to plant some flower seeds. It's an easy process, but it's a lot of fun. These are the things that were included in the Explorer kit that you may have picked up over at the library. If you didn't pick one up, that's okay. These are the supplies that you will need. A cup of water, a small spoon, or you can even use your hands. Soil, a packet of flower seeds. I just thought these were really nice. And a biodegradable pot. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be taking our biodegradable pot. What it basically means is that it naturally breaks down. It won't cause harm to the environment, which is so important, especially as we're celebrating Earth Day. Okay, next we're gonna take the baggie of soil, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my spoon, and I'm just gonna start putting some dirt in. Probably should have laid down some paper underneath this first. Okay. So I'm gonna fill it up maybe about 3/4 of the way. Okay, I'm gonna set that aside and I'll show you. Okay, so on the packet of seeds, on the back, it has really good information for us to know. Each packet of seeds, let it be vegetables, flowers, fruits, whatever you want to grow, the information that you're going to need is going to be on the back. Anything from how long it takes for the seeds to start to grow, how far down to put the seeds into the soil, how far away from each other. All of that information is on the back of these packets. It's actually really interesting. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna kind of push around my finger, loosen up the soil, and I'm gonna open up my seeds. They're gonna be small, I can tell. Oh, I'm right. It's really interesting. I've never really grown a garden, but it's really neat. Okay, so I'm gonna sprinkle these in. And I'm gonna tap them down lightly to make sure that they really get into the soil there. Then I'm gonna be taking the baggie of soil again, and now I'm gonna cover up those seeds. The seeds will obtain their nutrients to help them grow from the soil. And of course, water and sunlight. Okay. Okay, so I'm not gonna push it down real tight because we want them to be able to expand and grow. But we just wanna make sure that it's in there nice. Okay. Then we're gonna take the water and we're just gonna lightly, let's show you. We don't wanna drench it. We don't wanna like make them drown. So we're just gonna put a little bit in there. And as the water goes down through there, it's gonna go through the seeds and that's gonna help them grow. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna leave this here at Recreation. I'm gonna see how long it takes for them to grow. I'm gonna put it in a nice lit area to make sure the sun is really getting to those seeds and to the soil, and we're just gonna watch them grow. I hope that you will plant your seeds, and I can't wait to see too of what you grow. Nature is amazing, and nature is amazing, and we need to take care of our earth. We hope that you participate in other Earth Week activities with us. Happy Earth Week.